Hello. When thunderstorms approach, remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to the storm to be struck by lightning. Go to safe shelter immediately. Move to a sturdy building or car. Do not take shelter in small sheds, under isolated trees, or convertible automobiles. If lightning is occurring and a sturdy shelter is not available, get inside a hardtop automobile and keep the windows up. Get out of boats and away from water. Telephone lines and metal pipes can conduct electricity. Unplug appliances not necessary for obtaining weather information. Avoid using the telephone or any electrical appliances. Use the telephone only in an emergency. Do not take a bath or shower. Turn off air conditioners. Power surges from lightning can overload the compressors. Get to higher ground if flash flooding or flooding is possible. Once flooding begins, abandon cars and climb to higher ground. Do not attempt to drive to safety. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. If you are caught outdoors and no shelter is nearby, find a low spot away from trees, fences, and poles. Make sure the place you pick is not subject to flooding. If you are in the woods, take shelter under the shorter trees. If you feel your skin tingle or your hair stand on end, squat low to the ground on the balls of your feet. Place your hands on your knees with your head between them. Make yourself the smallest target possible and minimize your contact with the ground. If you are boating or swimming, get to land and find shelter immediately. What to listen for? Severe thunderstorm watch tells you when and where severe thunderstorms are most likely to occur. Watch the sky and stay tuned to know when warnings are issued. Watches are intended to heighten public awareness and should not be confused with warnings. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued when severe weather has been reported by spotters or indicated by radar. Warnings indicate imminent danger to life and property for those in the path of the storm. Also, listen for tornado watch or warning and flash flood watch or warning. NOAA Weather Radio is the best means to receive warnings from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service continuously broadcasts updated weather warnings and forecasts that can be received by NOAA Weather Radios, which are sold in many stores. The average range is 40 miles, depending on topography. Your National Weather Service recommends purchasing a radio that has both a battery backup and a tone alert feature that automatically alerts you when a watch or warning is issued. What you should not do: stand near trees, poles, overhead wire, or water. Touch metal objects like bikes, golf clubs, or fences. Plug in electrical equipment such as hair dryers or razors. Use the telephone except for emergencies.